Hi, I'm Sienna and I'm on set today with First Aid Beauty and they're having me try out their Hydrating eye cream. Now, in between cramming for my lines and scrolling endlessly on dating apps, I realized I was looking a little dry. I'm 22 now, so I need to invest in eye cream and I only want the absolute best. I want to look fresh whenever I walk out the door and on my dates. So excited to try this out. Let's get to it. So, I'm going to squeeze a tiny bit of my ring finger and pat directly under my eye. First impression, it has a really nice creamy texture. It feels cooling to the touch and so hydrating. It uses hyaluronic acid to immediately boost hydration levels while smoothing the look of fine lines and crow's feet. When I'm applying eye cream, I like to gently massage it in to help reduce some of that puffiness. It also has cucumber scent, which is literally my favorite. Okay, I just found my new go-to eye cream. It's soothing, nourishing, and refreshing. But most of all, it keeps me looking youthful. Thanks, First Aid Beauty.